Taboo.
Taboo without sight.
Taboo.
We a taboo without sight.
Taboo.
Animals, animals. Echoes in my head, gotta break the taboo. No, we will never be criminals, criminals. The sticks and stones will break my soul. Gotta be a miracle, miracle. It's in my bones, gotta break the taboo before we all become animals, animals.
Taboo. You can see it.
Now, heaven would you?
Heaven. Was it the inside the room? No,
okay. Near one and metro, so the battle also say, or no, what is Jesus is coming soon by and a sea run about to son, and yet, now my, did you all can you and say, a year for and a Jonathan down. I go forward when you know, can't boom. And on this, we have a tuja. Now, almost a year maybe a CA or Bible, it won't see me any day. And now, just off when there, or moon day. Now, can't a woman, almost see you, woman, I didn't say me by. Enti ate somewhere na aba ye kwa akwohwe aba
greatest scam, the scamming of all time, the undisputed scam. Hey, Jesus is coming soon.
Yeah.
And nada atro aye one day.
Yeah.
Aye the bread be mine. Aye yesu. So him say enchana kwa na ba entu si dan ye be say.
Yeah.
Enchana yesu aba ye fa wiase nko be ya. Enchana waba o enchana waba. Ebe ye ne odi ba bi aba. Na Jesus o te trogo so. And ye pia na nko beduri. Wo hye bofo echi and na bofo de America anko nduri. Jesus ni ba bi aba.
Bofo wo preaching na sachira wadwen na Yesu ba. Jesus is coming soon. ABC run about to ache o. Nyame beba. Na tamu ni nyanso. Enti ehiafo na adwuna temu da ho.
Assassin so na menim. Heaven kura me pa me nyini. Heaven away. Minimo. Dabi. Ma fu plane na tu kwa makwa America makwa Russia makwa back. Me unu heaven ho. Exam se na wa ha no. Yam pass. Assassin kura wo de share yansa no. Se bank formal facility o mama loan. Na se wuntu anu nwie ya. Can you go for another one? Can't. Hey, bank be under the ma. No bank. Yama $11 million. Won't you with some Pajamasa $34 million? Crazy. We cannot track no what's a normal part tonkra. What's the assassin soon swabapa?
And then the man Philip Busan say, a rather you knew quino. The better yet in about teacher, no, in Naba Metram says, no, in the Jano Crano, a dog's from my one in a jar, the Biocas of Jano. And so they used to say a Jano, the woman who Jano. So what I say, if you want to be say, Peter Mokana used to show me boss and make Quaban. Peter Mo, another generation about yes, you might. Generation be 100 years.
century.
Generation be 100 century. Eti Yesu na nkasa owu ye na wo sole ye na wo share share for ne boss say mo se metu mi ku enche mesa aba no 2200 years in the womb.
Oh my.
Eti free mercy for the Lord for the brother would sister would for no courtesan for the bachelor was say ono nkasa na wo share bono she generation do abese ko eti wo kura so wo be wu no my eti jiwani na oma koso be bank wa ede baba masa ekuo ni de sa ekuo no occultism ekuo na mabobọ no Freemason young money Lord and sister with brotherhood no category no wo mu bia masa sika de o memo say wo di sika wo di na wiase de wo say wo ji wani na so bi kura ka say Yesu ba na wo tia obesese Yesu wo ba he bo de mo bodam papa no ka so wo ba no nyenne na mo to ko be wu agya no mai e ya mpa so say yenyi stay Yesu no nya be o mo 100% evidence fact. What is Yesu be na you know Sunday school me mama na de me kwa asolo yo me mama na de me kwa Assemblies of God and mama no way wawu me mama na de me kwa wawu ono be ka ke say Yesu ba no wawu uti wa meto he say me papa wo me Monday ya na me na eja bonsu me papa ka say na me say eja wo say o say me was 72 I say hey eja say Yesu mai wonu sɛ me fam yesu ye na meto so ehunu yesu afa nka tɛ bo sura ne papa sɛ dada ti so behunu yesu so kwadwo ye nka kwa yi de wa na me so mawu na yesu kura na ma ye dai ma ehunu na se ah yesu ka so be ba nyene enti sɛ die ye nyina gidi sɛ yesu no be ba but die de ka kono de ya hwe ya
Onya mai.
na yesu akodu 180 ni bi na wa ma enti best thing is say e wo so yesu ye
See what the pastors are talking about and everything. Taboo.
Abu.
Taboo.
Akwanya yi so na mada me papa ba ko pe Mr. Okasa, John Okasa. Baby awo bia tere inshirama.
That is number 1 station.
Yira wase eni adwumade a mo bo dwumadi a mo didi abo adwumade sɛ yɛbɛma oman abibifo yɛfa yɛn ntoma paaye den afra me chiache obi bia ma obi akwaba wo ba so na wo share video no ama
Taboo. You can see it.
we di adan say book ni nyina enkoyi now and then yɛn to aso Exodus 20:13 Nyankopɔn sɛ thou shall not kill me nku nipa Bible na state say nipa we me nku no we me nku no the Bible no kan yɛn say thou shall not kill enku nipa ana thou shall not kill sa na Bible no yɛ den ɛtwerɛ yɛ na the same Bible yɛsa nyansɛm bi wɔ mu a menua sɛ yɛ check na yɛ de teto ho a wobɛm sɛ no adeɛ no ɛnyɛ den enkoyi yɛn kɔhwɛ adeɛ bi wɔ ha ɛwɔ Deuteronomy the book of Deuteronomy chapter 22 yɛhwɛ adeɛ bi wɔ ha chapter 22 verse 13 me ba bekenkan obi antie embra bi Nyankopɔn no se da sha no kill no oba abɛhyɛ no obi anye bi no ntie ni Deuteronomy 22:13 osi so obi ware yere na ɔkɔ ne ho na ɔmpɛ ne biom na ɔde animgu ase te no so na ɔbɔ no di mmɔne sɛ maware ɔba yi na me kɔ no ho no manto no ɔba bunu a ɛneɛ abɔfra no na gya ne na mfa abɔfra no ba bunu yɛ nsɛnkyerɛne mfiri mmra kuro no mu mpenifo nkyɛn wɔ kuro no aboboɔ ano na abɔfra no egya nka nkyerɛ mpenifo no sɛ mode me ba ama me mode mo ba ama obarima yi awareɛ nso ɔmpɛ no bio na hwɛ ɔde animgu ase ato no so sɛ manto no baabu no yɛ mu nso ɔbaabu no manto no baabu no yɛ mu adeɛ nie na wɔntrɛ ntoma no mu kuro no mu mpenifo anim na kuro no mpenifo no mfa obarima no ntwe n'aso na wɔnyi no gbɛtɛ nwetɛbena ɔha ɔsɛ wɔnyi no gbɛtɛbena mfa ma ababaa no egya efiri sɛ wabɔ Israel ɔbaabu no di mbɔne na ɔnya ne yere na ɔnkɔ ne ho ne nna nyinaa now point ni nie ɔsɛ sɛ woyɛ bɛrima according to Israel for custom woyɛ bɛrima wowale ɔbaa na ɔbaa na wowale no ebi a wompɛ ne biem na wode no kɔma ne maame ne papa sɛ wompɛ ne biem a ebi a wokɔɛ ne woka kyɛ ne sɛ mo ba no ne bɛwale na ɔnyɛ virgin na ɔbaa no maame ne papa ɛmfa ntoma ɔmo wɔ amambre bi sɛ wokɔwale ɔbaa no a ɔbaa no bɛda ntoma no so ne ayi na ɔbaa no ɛde ntoma awofo no de ntoma no ba abɛkyerɛ na ɔmahu sɛ ampa akwara no ɔyɛ virgin deɛ a ɛndeɛ yɛmbɔ bɛrima no ka wotie yɛmbɔ bɛrima no ka na ɔnwale ɔbaa no ɔpompo ɔnyɛ den ɔnwale no yɛtoa so na sɛ asɛm yɛ nokwasɛm na wɔhu abɔfra no ɔbaabu no a ɛnneɛ wɔyi ababa no mmra ne gya fie aboboa no na ne kurom mmarima nsi ne aboɔ na ɔnwu ɛfiri sɛ wayɛ nkwaseadeɛ Israel mu sɛ wabɔ adwaman ne gya fie na ɔnyi bɔne no mfiri wɔnyi bɔne no nyɛ den mfiri mu na mbom yɛde ɔbaa no ba tio yɛde ɔbaa no yɛ den ɛba na ɔbaa no ampa ɔnyɛ virgin that means ɔbaa no ɛne obi dae ɛwɔ ne papa fie ɔne obi twe mpena ansa wokɔ wale na ɔnyɛ virgin a Nyankopɔn se yɛmfa akwara no brɛ ne maame ne papa fie bebi a wobɛwale no na kurom hɔ mpanifoɔ no mmeranteɛ no yɛmfrɛ wɔn yɛfrɛ mmeranteɛ no a yɛnku ɔbaa no yɛnsi na aboɔ na ɛnyɛ den yɛnku no ɛbatɔ wotie don't forget Exodus 20:13 sɛ mo Nyankopɔn se thou shalt not kill Nyankopɔn yi asa adane ne ho a ɔbaa no Exodus chapter 22:13 to 20 ɔsɛ sɛ wokɔ wale ɔbaa na oba ne nye virgin na hu so nye virgin ade ba ko a wobetimi aye ne se wo be ma ye den yaku oba no nti minua se mo se Nyankopɔn ahyembra na ono Nyankopɔn asa adane ne ho aba abeto mbra na we eya bususem kese eya bususem kese we ne fe no tabu no
Taboo.
minua ye wo verses be in the Bible say ye kinkan verses no na ye se ye tena se dwen ho a ye limit Nyankopɔn sa verses no e ma Nyankopɔn luku akola ye bususem ye tabu say I don't know how to explain it. Ye ma Nyankopɔn luku akola bi sa nsem no ye bususem to Nyankopɔn otie enu nie Genesis 6 verses number 6. Let me start from 5. When the Lord saw how wicked everything on earth was, and how evil their thoughts were all the time, he was sorry that he had ever made them and put them on the earth. He was filled with regret. A God, Almighty God, the creator of the universe, was sorry and full of regret. Nyankopɔn onunu ho. So what catch Nyankopɔn onunu ho, you are limiting the power of Nyankopɔn. So what catch Nyankopɔn onunu ho, you are limiting the power of Nyankopɔn. A Christopher binum omujidie no, omo se Yesu, ono ane Nyankopɔn. Yes, saa na omo ye den omo ka. But yen hwa ade bi o ha. To prove it no, Philippians chapter 2, verses number 7 to 7 no men kan brofo no. O say verse 6, he always had the nature of God, but he did not think that by force he should try to become equal with God. Instead of his own free will, he gave up all and took the nature of a servant. He became like man. He became like man and appeared in the human likeness. He was humble and walked the path of obedience all the way to death, to his death on the cross. He became like man. So according to Philippians chapter 2, 6 to 7, altogether to 8, Jesus came like man. So he has the character of God in heaven, but he came like man. Now, if Jesus came like man, according to Christianity, Mary then to say nipa nipa no and no. When you have bususem baako a a Christopher ye den eka mo pese mo kire yen say Jesus oye nyame, Jesus oye Nyankopon e na oba nipa tibia mu a that means nipa awo Nyankopon. Mary awo Nyankopon, Mary aye den wa awo Nyankopon. Enti according to Luke chapter 2 verse 20, yen go tie de aye den e wo ho ke yen nyina yen yintum say Jesus is God. Yen yintum say Jesus is God. According to Philippians chapter 2 6 to 7 no. Yen yintum say time a Mary nyen say Nyankopon na yeden e dane yam te Mary yeden e wo Nyankopon e na Nyankopon ba ye no be wu ye e no de no moja yeden e papa e man yen e na ye de yen yankwaje afa yen hwa de bi e wo Luke chapter 2 verses number Luke 2:21. Luke 2:21. Yentie. Fine. O say na odi na wotwe no eye hwan a Jesus. Bible no say oye Nyankopon no. Ye wo no na odi na wotwe no. Wotwa no twatia na wotu no din Yesu. Nti according to Christianity, if ye gitu say Jesus is God, ye gitu say God came in a human being form, in the likeness of God, because according to Christian they explain say God cannot come. God is a spirit. He cannot come physically. So for him to come, obetime obaba sa no, eji se odane nipa na oye den oba. Enunti na ofa nipa so ye den eba e. Enunti na ofa Mary so na ye den oba e. Sa na Christopher ye den e kire. Yenyintum ne se de omo ka no eye no kore. Because Yesu ya di nti, yenyintum, magietum, wonso gitum. Now, according to Luke chapter 2, verses number 21, yes say you Jesus no onya na otwe e na yekotwa na twetia mebra we nso esusu ho dwen ho se wo ka kire me se nipa wo Nyankopon odi na otwe no yetwa na twetia we no e ya bususem na wo ye de wo ka we na friend no taboo we e ya blasphemous kraboni bese muslim ni bese e ya haram enti mu book no ye won nsem bi gugumu a yan ye kenkan na ye kire wo se na nsem na te a wo mbom behu ni se ye mbom na ye ka bususem na mbom ye mu book no mbom na ye de e ka bususem wo book na se nyan Jesus no wo ye nyankopon wo soro but se obeba asase so without nipa ontimi mba na sa ye ngini ndi ebe ye huhuhu too much nti the only thing is say obefa nipa so nipa by Mary na Mary ayeden awo no e na ofa nipa so na Mary wo no according to Luke 2:21 so ye wo no Jesus no ye yeden ye kwatwa ni twetia ye kan bema nti nipa atwa nipa na atwa nyankopon twetia eno mumia ya ne sae ti excuse me tama nyankopon Jesus o shana o ya kwala no na Mary de ni hye ne chi na oturu no ena saa no no fo saa ena no fo saa na odi nyini na nyankopon no Mary no fo because nyankopon ba ni party biam nti tama Mary nyem no nyankopon na hye ne yam no 9 months ena wo no onko wo na okwo no njambuom nyankopon wo no njambuom nti wo koka a Christopher bi no say ai the entia na amanfo ndi Yesu ndi ni say how we expect say Jesus beba no Yesu na mba in that way Yesu oba in a different way enunti eye nipa nwanwa so people were surprised. Now let's accept it. Let's accept the concept say Jesus is God. He came in the human form. He came in the likeness of human being. Do you want to tell me say this God was in the stomach of Mary for 9 months? And Mary gave birth to God. And Mary feed God. And they trapped God Kretia. And God was circumcised. I don't know that one sam na or trap this Nyankopon Kretia no. Min who sang one sam kono waya dear pa. Sang one sam waya dear papa. When in summer yen ye bie so na ye beka. Wombom hu yen say yen ye ka bususem. Eye ubu kunu na ye ka bususem. And so I don't know whether you don't believe us or you don't believe your book. Obi be share video on Timasi. Obi be share video you be say mimbom na mika bususem. Wo Nyankopon ka Exodus chapter 20 verse 13 say thou shalt not kill. Nyankopon ya ba Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 20 say we oba na ye wale na wo nye virgin a yenkum. Wa wale oba no oba no nye virgin no. Yenku oba no emrekwa Nyankopon na ka se menku nipa enti se mo se saa na tie dia saa Nyankopon no ono oto ono ane mmra se woto a wo mmra nso a eya abusudie na wo ye abusudie se wo Nyankopon hye se yenku obi a onye virgin when eye haram eye tabu yen ya mambre mu kra yen ye saa de no ye na mambre na mo se ye soma abosom kra saa de we ye nye kampeto Nyankopon de obo osoro ne asase wo ba Genesis chapter 6 verse 5 to 6 a mo Nyankopon say onunu ho ye sore regreti say obo nipa. Now in this case Nyankopon mu de no ginahi mu de Nyankopon ginahi. Where are you positioning this God? Where are you positioning this God? CSF, common sense. I'm saying it message you know. Kristonia woso Kristonia obehwe video yi mesrew ema ubumfu eya adesua ema ubumfu wati ema ubumfu na eya adesua na ubuku no ama Onyankopon na luku akwala Bible no ama Nyankopon adane akwala Bible no ama Nyankopon adane obi a like oye busude ama mubuku no ama Nyankopon aye obi a oka bususem obi a oye busude say Philippians 2:6 to 7. God came in the likeness of God, in the likeness of man. That means Jesus was God in heaven. But when he was coming to this planet, he came in the likeness of man. So he came through Mary. Mary was pregnant and it was God, which was in the stomach of Mary. And Mary delivered. And Mary dwelled God. Or Darino. And Mary feed God with ne nofo yenti asem o yenti asem utie da meka no nti Mary o hwe Nyankopon edi Nyankopon hye nechi e dwale Nyankopon e do 8 days no Luke 2:21 ena mo twa Nyankopon twetia ena Mary miamia kuro na kuro nu saaye 7 bread asa enkoyi to me enkoyi nti mesrew wonso tenase na dwendwen ho wonso tenase na susu ho wonso tenase na dwen ho na bisa ho se so asem wi eye nokore se ensem wi eye nokore dia ende moma Nyankopon aluku baby moma Nyankopon aluku gbeken moma Nyankopon aluku abofra moma Nyankopon aluku akokoa moma Nyankopon aluku keji moma Nyankopon aluku yaro uti da meka no enti yan yase there is creator obo ade oho but that creator cannot be found in a book. That creator cannot be seen in a book. And if we accept your book as the word of God, if we accept your book as a divine book, it doesn't go with logic and common sense. It doesn't go with logic and common sense. Yes, and Mary gave birth to Jesus, which was God. Yes, and Mary gave birth to Jesus, which was God. Menya men kasa bebre em say some short video me di besia ye besa to aso biem video in the stem ye no short na manfo atimi ye ate ase nte ya mo share video no emfa maye na ya makan so na ma subscribe to your YouTube channels no CSF TV Common Sense Family and CSF Yahuda misre wa wonya subscribe to CSF Yahuda no kona ko subscribe na like it for me why won subscribe ya kona ko subscribe na like it for me medo obi biase obi onya abotre a otie ni obi onya ambre a wo ye de otie mi no medo obi biase mesa fa kwanya yi so na machia Common Sense abusiafo nyina we eye tabu part 2 ukohwe a hwe ni yi tie ni yi koteshi samikotu ye no tie ni yi na kenkan na won so tenase na susu ho na won so tenase na dwen ho tenase fa kwa dwendwim na bisa on ho nsem bi se ampa se nsem wi egugu Nyankopon asem mu Nyankopon buku mu a ekoyie ana enkoyie mega Abraham bi muhye ase na machia Common Sense abusiafo nyina mesa fa kwanya iso na machia openi baako se na medi kan ye no Mr. Ahmed Farah mechia mu eni adwumade amoye den mobo eni Mr. Okasa Mr. John Okasa Mr. Chia Obium yadase eni adwuma pa ye nyina ye de aboa the good movement of Africa, the liberation of Africa, or we the blacks so that be fight into my pa den afra medase na masama akwa babium ayamosomfo nsengokoji ojumora ayedu akegi nsengokoji ojumora ayedu akegi medase ye be sa babium mesaba for another version. Bye bye.
You see taboo yourself that even look, when you look, you see that the pastors are saying that they don't believe Jesus is coming. And you can see that the pastors say they don't believe in heaven. So if you don't believe in heaven and you don't believe in what do you call it, Jesus coming, and you hold the Bible, then it's taboo. So you watch them. Like you see, thank you very much, all Casa TV viewers. I'm proud of you, and Common Sense Family, I'm proud of you. No size, Common Sense Family. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you.